Long ago, in a land of shifting sands and forgotten legends, lived a boy named Malik. He was a dreamer, always staring at maps, tracing paths to hidden places, whispering stories of treasure to himself beneath the stars. While others in his village walked the fields or traded in the market, Malik held on to a single dream: to find the treasure of the lost city of Kalina, a place rumored to be buried deep beneath the desert, filled with gold, jewels, and secrets of the old world. People laughed at him. "Stop chasing fairy tales," they would say. But Malik didn't stop. He set off one morning with nothing but a small satchel, an old compass, and a map his grandfather had once drawn by hand. Days turned into weeks. He crossed burning dunes, climbed rocky cliffs, and slept beneath cold stars. His feet blistered, his food ran low, but he never turned back. One evening, as the sun dipped low, he saw it, a half-buried ruins beneath the sand, the broken pillars of a lost city. His heart lit up. He ran toward it, falling to his knees, digging with his bare hands. He found crumbled statues, shards of pottery, and a stone door. Behind it, nothing. No gold, no glitter, just silence. Exhausted and confused, Malik sat under a collapsed archway and whispered, "Was this all just a lie?" Just then, an old man stepped from the shadows. His robe was worn, his eyes kind. "You have come far," the man said. "I came for treasure," Malik replied bitterly, "but there is nothing here." The man smiled. "You found something more valuable than gold." Malik frowned. "You found courage," the man continued. "You pushed through fear. You faced the unknown. You didn't quit when it got hard. That is the treasure most never find." The words struck something in Malik's heart. He looked around, not with disappointment, but with new eyes. The carvings told stories. The broken columns whispered history. He realized maybe the treasure wasn't in what he could carry out, but in what he had carried with him all along. When he returned home, people gathered around him. "Did you find the treasure?" they asked. He smiled and said, "Yes, but not the kind you measure in coins." From then on, Malik became a guide, not to gold, not to strength, to courage, to purpose. Because sometimes the greatest treasure is the person you become while searching for it.